Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, so if your examinations are in May 26, September 26 or Jan 27, then here are the indirect tax books and lectures details available for you in case you are looking for the same. So first of all, for these examinations, we have released the single book, which is your one single book, as you can see here, one single book which is there, which is the concept book, approximately 400 pages, okay, in which your entire GST, customs as well as FTP, without missing out on the content, everything is covered in the book. Okay, that is one thing. And the second book that we have released here is the compiler book. Can you see this? This is the compiler book. So compiler is basically the question bank. So this has got approximately 800 plus questions within it, which includes everything, which includes your direct questions, which includes your analytical questions, which includes your MCQs. Everything is included in these books. So basically one single concept book and one single compilation. These are the books that are available. Yes. Now, recently we completed with a live batch for this May 26, September 26 and Jan 27 examinations. And yes, we have successfully completed 100% syllabus was completed in this. And now the lectures are available for in recorded form also. So I'll just give you the details about the same. As you can see here, it is applicable for May 26, September 26, Jan 27. So as of now, when I'm making this video in the month of February 2026, so all the amendments up to May 26, means whatever is applicable for the May 26 examinations and which is released by the ICAI in its statutory update, I have covered everything till there. Okay, so basically we can say it is fully updated till May 26 examinations. Whatever are the further exams like September 26, Jan 27, whatever will be the further amendments, anyway I'll be releasing it separately. Right, so this was about the amendments. Books I have already shown you. I'll again show the the copy also on the board, so you will understand it. Okay, now what about the lectures, ma'am? What has been covered? How you have covered it approximately, and all that. So duration I've already told you. Duration is 140 hours approximately. Half an hour here and there, but duration is 140 hours. And now in this batch, basically we have covered everything from scratch, like even the introduction chapter which was there in your intermediate level, GST in India and introduction, I have covered from there till the last chapter, that is till your FTP. Everything is covered. Nothing has been compromised in the quality as well as quantity. Nothing we have compromised. Amendments we have covered it fully. Yes, then from every chapter we have discussed few questions. For every chapter we have discussed the questions, and approximately 400 questions we have discussed in the class itself. Yes, and I remember in the last lecture I had also given the method. How are you supposed to now study once your batch is over? How should you go about the revision? Then how should you present the answers? What is the way to get an exemption in IDT? All those tips and tricks have been discussed in the class itself, and you will enjoy. Yes, because it was a live batch. We had so much of interaction. You will see all those things in the lectures, but without wasting any time, we have completed the lectures in 140 hours. And the best part about the lecture was the interlinking. Yes, that is because we know, yes, many chapters in GST, or we can say so many chapters in GST, so many concepts in GST from multiple chapters are interlinked. So what we have done, see, because at the end moment it becomes a chaos in our mind. What did we study in the last chapter? What are we going to study? What are we studying here? And all these things comes. So what we had done is, during the lectures itself, we had made the interlinking notes. Okay, that is a particular concept is taken, and that concept, okay, that concept in whichever chapter it falls, we have compiled all those things together and we have made the interlinking notes. Yes, so if you are taking the recorded lectures, now that interlinking notes will also be available to you in the PDF format. Yes, so interlinking, that is the only thing where students face problems in IDT. Yes, see, there are two things basically. One is amendment. So amendments is fully covered, as I have already explained it to you. Another thing is, ma'am, then how do we study on the last day? Will we be able to do it from the book on the last day? Yes, the book is approximately 400 pages, which you can, and you know, in that also during the lectures we have discussed how to cut down, how to make small summary notes besides every particular section, etc., so that you will save on some time during your revision. Yes, this is how we have planned this is how we had planned to cover, and in the same manner we covered the lecture. Yes, so these lectures are available on my website if you wish to purchase. This comes with a validity. Yes, this also I should be telling it to you. So this comes with 2 times views, means you can view it 2 times, and this comes with 1 year validity. Yes, so even if your examinations are in Jan 27, etc., you need not worry about it. Then it comes with a 1 year validity, 2 times views. Yes, that is the best part, so that if you want to revise or any particular chapter, if you want to revise again, you can definitely do that. Yes, and the lectures, the investment that you are required to do is rupees 8,000. Okay, only rupees 8,000. Because why am I telling only rupees 8,000? You are getting full course. Okay, even if the name of the batch is exam oriented regular batch, but I can call it as a regular batch. Okay, means it can be used for a first time learner also, it can be used for a second time or second time learner also. Okay, there is no issue, and you will 100% enjoy it. Yes, and demo of this lecture, like the day one batch, I have put it on YouTube. That is approximately around, I think 6, 7, 8 hours, I don't remember, but 6 hours plus lecture was there on the first day. So I have put it entirely on YouTube. Go and refer it, go and learn, you will enjoy like anything. Yes, and yes, investment, as I told you, it is rupees 8,000. And if you are enrolling now, anytime till 10th of March. Okay, if you are enrolling now till 10th of March 2026, then you can get a flat 500 rupees discount. You can use the code. IDT EOB. Okay, you can use the code IDT EOB, and immediately your 500 rupees will be deducted, and the net investment for you is going to be rupees 7,500. And you can go on my words, you can trust me, this 7,500 is going to be very, very fruitful for you. Trust me on that. Yes, and now yes, let me show you the books one, so that you will understand how we have made the books. So this is the concept handbook. Okay, means the single concept book. This includes the GST 2.0 amendments also, so you need not worry about that. Okay, amendments I have written here. And then as you can see here, this is the index. I have put the weightage also as per the ICAI, GST 80 marks, then your customs and FTP 20 marks. Everything is given here. Yes, and see, this is our book. This is how it looks. Colorful tables, wherever possible I have put it. You will enjoy. Okay, you will enjoy definitions, everything. I don't, even I am very scared to lose out on any particular content. So I put everything. Okay, I'll put everything in the book. As you can see, so many colorful tables, colorful charts, etc. are there. Interlinking is done. Summaries are done in the book itself, so that you don't have to do all those things on your own. And this is your question bank. That is the compiler book. Can you see this? This is the compiler book, and again this is fully amended for your examinations along with all the amendments. Again here your index is there. And then can you see the questions? Your direct questions are also there. Then your analytical questions are also there. Similarly, in the further chapters, you will find the MCQs, etc. also coming. All the numerical questions, MCQs, etc. you will see. I'll just show it to you. See. Can you see this? These are your MCQs. So your mock paper MCQs, your RTP MCQs, your exam paper, whatever resources is available, we have put the questions here. MCQ is there, its answers is given. Yes, and besides every particular question, its source is also written. Can you see this? This has come from the module, that is ICAI study material. Then this was asked here. I have put some questions from your intermediate also, which are of good quality. I have put those questions also. Yes, the source of every question. And then there will be some questions which I have marked it as must do questions. I have put that also. Yes, so this is how basically the books are designed, and this is how the lectures have been done. So if at all you are looking out for lectures to complete IDT in limited time, in 140 hours, 100% coverage with 400 questions approximately discussed in the class itself, then I think this is the best solution for you. And if you wish to purchase these lectures, you can go on my website www.arpitatulsyan.com, and you can go to the IDT section and you can subscribe for it. And if you are taking the lectures till 10th of March, then you can use the code IDT EOB. Yes, and get started with it. Yes, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.